Our final guests today are from Novant Health OBGYN. Let's welcome Dr. Richard Thompson and Clinic Administrator Becky Whiteside. Welcome to the show today, Becky. Dr. Thompson, what a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Well, I know that both of you have been on our show before, and some of our viewers, though, may not have seen you. So let's start with Dr. Thompson and tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do at Novant Health.
My name is Richard Thompson. I am one of the practicing providers at Novant Health OBGYN. Currently going to 3 office locations, and we're getting ready to open a 4th in Southport very soon.
I know you've been on the show before. I think right when you started, that was what, a couple of years ago?
Yeah, almost 2 years ago.
Wow, time flies.
Yeah, it does.
How about you, Becky? Tell us what you do at Novant Health OBGYN.
I'm Becky Whiteside. I'm the Clinic Administrator at Novant Health OBGYN. So I oversee the current 3 practices, and we'll be opening a 4th. I work directly with the physicians and then the managers over at the hospital for the women's service line.
That's awesome. That's a great practice. Now, I know that you're anxious to talk about your newest location in Southport. So, Becky, can you tell us exactly where that location is?
We will be at 1456 House Street in Suite 201. We will be sharing the space with Oceanside Family Medicine in Southport.
Well, I know there are several other Novant Health offices in the same location. Can you share those with me?
Yes, currently in the same location on House Street. Of course, we have Oceanside Family Medicine, Southport.
That's Dr.
Moore and Johnson.
And Dr.
Johnson. Yes. I know they're adding another provider in the summer. Yeah. However, surgical also goes there along with urology.
So Brunswick Surgical Associates?
Yes.
And Brunswick Urological Associates?
Yes.
So, that's like a full service. You've got family practice or internal medicine, you've got OBGYN, you have urology?
Yes.
Wow. So let's talk about your other locations. I know that the OBGYN practice is throughout the county, so let's talk about those.
We have a location in Leland. We have a location in Bolivia, close to the hospital, right off 17. And we also have the new location, Calabash, which is a new building.
That just opened, didn't it?
Into
just
February.
Recently opened, yeah. Where in Leland is the practice located?
That's located in a medical office building there at the front of Waterford. So.
Okay. Now, Dr. Thompson, do I understand correctly that you will be the primary physician?
Yes, to start, and we're going to hopefully be adding more physicians there as time goes on.
In the Southport office?
Correct.
On House Street. Okay. Well, what made your group decide to expand their services and provide those in Southport?
We just felt like it would be a good idea to take services to our patients. We have patients that come from Southport,
right,
to provide OBGYN services there, more convenient care for them, also with the hopes of attracting new patients as well.
I think some people think of Southport and some of these areas as retirement communities, but there are babies coming from these areas too.
Yeah, most certainly.
Yeah. So you will provide both OB and GYN in Southport?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Becky, tell me a little bit more about the hours of operation and how to make appointments and things like that.
Okay, perfect. We will be opening starting on Fridays, and we will be seeing patients from 8 o'clock till 2. We'll work through lunch at that location. And of course, you can call our main number is 910-721-4050, and we can get you set up for an appointment.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being on the show today, Dr. Thompson. Becky, it was a pleasure to have you, and we look forward to visiting your new office in Southport.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.